Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, I am doing my first DIY nail video. Yes, believe it or not, these are tips that I added to my nails in the comforts of my home. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so this product is by Kiss Nails. It's their brush on nail kit. Okay, of course I found this on Amazon, so this is the star of the video. Next, you will need some cotton rounds. You can use these cotton rounds for anything related to beauty, so it will come in handy for something else. Trust me. Also, some nail polish remover, and that's pretty much it. The kit comes with everything that you need. So here are my nails. Yes, my nails are looking pretty rough. I know. But that's all right though, because we are about to get myself together right now, okay? So let's open up this bad boy, the kit. So here we are. Here's the kit. Looks familiar, right? We got a lot of stuff in this kit. So hopefully I can pull off this knockoff nail salon nail job that I'm about to do, okay? So let's get it. One can only try, right? And we are going to try today right now. All right. Now opening up this kit to see what we got. So these are the tips. They give you clear and white tips to add on to your nails. So that's good. Next, we have a nail file. And on the flip side, it's a buffer. So that will be useful, trust me. One manicure stick for mild cuticle care. One side is angled while the other side is pointed. So here is the magic right here, the brush on gel. And then we have the activator. And then we have the cleaner. All right, so now putting everything to the side, let me quickly show you the instructions. So in this video, I'm going to follow these steps on the instructions, so don't worry. We are not going rogue at all, but these are the instructions I'll be following. And in this video, I will basically shorten the instructions so that you can efficiently complete this process when you try this product on your own. Okay, so I've decided not to use the white tips and do the clear tips. Right now, I am arranging the tips in chronological order. Each nail tip has a different size, so I'm putting it from greatest to least in front of me, so it's going to be reverse on your view. All right, all of the nails are now placed in chronological order. So the higher the number is, the smaller the nail will be. For example, size 11 is the smallest nail tip size, while size 0 is the largest nail size. Okay, cool. So let me show you one of the nails. This is number 7, and this is considerably a smaller nail. I think this nail should fit my pinky, which is the smallest finger that I have. I am testing different angles to try on the size, and as far as I can see, it appears that nail tip size 7 is a match for my pinky finger. So now placing nail tip size 7 on my invisible chosen row for both pinkies. I repeat the same sizing process for the remaining 8 fingers. So let's skip to the last finger, which will be my thumb. I believe that I found a final match for both of my thumbs. I went ahead and made sure that this size was a good fit for my other thumb, just to be on the safe side. And finally, we are done with the sizing step. And these are the tip sizes that match for my pinky, ring, middle, pointer, and thumb finger. And the other 5 tips are on the other side for my other hand. But this is what we have on the roster. All 10 nail tips that match the size for each finger measured. We are good to start preparing our nails for the tip application. Alright, now it's time to do some mild nail maintenance. Again, I'm not a nail tech. This is DIY. So first, basically, we need to file our nails down. I believe filing your nails down will help the nail tips adhere to your nails. The fake tip nails need something on your natural nails to stick on. Again, I'm not a nail tech, but this is what I understand from whenever I go to the salon and they have to file my nails down to add the acrylic tips. So it makes sense that you're doing the same thing with different products. So now I am filing each fingernail down very lightly because I truly do not like my nails filed. It kind of hurts when they're filed too low. File your nails down to whatever amount that you feel that is comfortable for you. That is all that matters. Now speeding up the video for the filing of my other hand. This is how my fingernails look after filing all of them. Now doing some cuticle maintenance. Using the angled side of the manicure stick, I am pushing back my cuticles just a little bit. Listen, I'm not about to tear up my fingers. I'm not about to sit here and be in pain for the next 2 weeks because these nails are expected to last about 2 weeks. Listen, I don't have time for that. This is just a quick little fix, something to make my nails look less crazy until the next time my heart desires to change my nails again, honestly. If we're being honest here, that's the plan. Nothing major. Now using that acetone to clean up my nails, clean off the filings, clean off anything from my cuticles, etc., etc., just cleaning off my nails in general without having to physically go wash my hands with soap and water. So think of it as cleaning up your canvas so that you have a blank canvas to work on your nails. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Grab that brush on nail bottle. Yes, this one. We are going to place it in a spot that is a safe spot so we don't knock this bad boy down because I am clumsy. So first you get that first nail tip, add a little bit of brush on gel to the nail. Definitely apply a generous amount because you need this brush on to stick on your nail. You don't want your nail to fall off out of the blue. You don't want to look down and see, oh, I'm missing a nail. So apply a generous amount of brush on and then make sure you are getting at a good angle to apply the nail tip on your nail because once it's stuck, it's stuck. Okay, this product is pretty good. It sticks on the nail pretty good. And then you will do the same for each of your other fingers. It's pretty simple. Grab the nail tip, apply a generous amount of brush on gel onto the nail tip. Then you're going to angle the nail tip so that you can place it on a good spot on your fingernail tip. And then you are going to squeeze the sides of the nail tips onto your nail to help secure it. I mean, you don't have to do this part specifically, but I did and it didn't cause any harm. So if it doesn't hurt, why not? But if you don't want to, you really don't have to because again, it's not going to hurt. Either way you go. Either way. But that's pretty much what I'm doing at this step. So now I'm going to speed up the video to apply tips on the remaining fingers that I have. Then we will move on to the next steps. All right, now check me out. This is my hand, starting to look good. Now that we have the tips on each finger, we are going to apply brush on gel on top of the space where the tip and our nail meets. I guess you can say I'm bridging the gap between the fake nail tip and my nail to make it a smooth like transition when we add on the next coats. And let me tell you, this stuff dries pretty fast. So Kiss discloses on this box that you can get this done in 5 minutes. You can get this done in 5 minutes. I think what took the most time was finding a size that fits my nail. So sizing the nail tips against my nail is what took the longest out of this whole process. Okay, now removing the Easy Apply tabs that is attached to each nail tip. The Easy Apply tabs are on the bottom side of the nail tip that showed the specific nail tip size. So basically removing the number tag on each nail, we don't need that anymore. To remove that tab, gently bend the tab up and down. Try not to twist it off. I mean, if you do twist it off, just know that you will be filing the shape of the nail tip next, so you could potentially fix an uneven break off of the tabs from the nail tip, but also you may lose nail length if it's not a clean removal. Just putting that out there. And yes, you guessed it. Now we are filing our nails. You can file these nail tips into whatever shape that your heart desires. Since this is new for me, my heart currently desires to keep a straight, squared shape for my nails. Keeping it simple because actually, after I do this video, the next video will be if you can apply nail polish on top of these tips. And I will be sampling a product that was sent to me from a nail polish company. So stay tuned for that video. It's coming out very soon. But speeding through nail filing, so now we have to just dust off the haters. I mean, dust off the nail filings, or you can do both, whatever. Just kidding. But yeah, just dust off the residue on your nails. All right, we are truly almost done with this hand. So all we have to do is apply the brush on and the activator. So I have everything lined up next to each other. And I loosen the top for each of the bottles, and I will tell you why in just a second. But first, we are going to apply the brush on gel to the full entire fingernail, and then we are going to apply the activator soon after applying the brush on to our nail. And that's what you basically do for your 5 fingers next. Not bad, right? And it does dry pretty fast. So I'm telling you, Kiss's disclaimer is legit. But anyways, so the reason why I loosened up the top for each of the bottles, well, first off, let's start with the activator. The activator did not come with a brush. The activator only came with a top for the bottle. Now the cleaner on the other hand did come with a brush. So the instructions does say use the brush from the cleaner bottle to apply the activator. I'm sure that Kiss has this product this specific way for a good reason, but all I know is I follow directions, so we're doing that. So I will definitely make sure when I am done, I will put back the brush with the cleaner bottle and the top with the activator bottle just like it came, okay? No surprises over here. But yeah, nails looking good, looking good. And now we are going to repeat the same exact steps that we just did for a second time. So you can think of it as your second application. So why did I pre-open these bottles in advance? Just for convenience. I just wanted to apply on the brush on first and then soon after apply the activator. There's no rules against it, and the brush on does dry fast in my experience. So I literally just did that out of pure convenience so that this process goes by a bit quicker. It's already a process to do everything. I gotta work smarter, not harder, right? But anyways, yeah. I guess it's definitely and totally safe for me to say that I like this product and I'm liking the results. Like, look at these nails. You cannot tell me that my nails do not look better than before. You can't. Impossible. So let's give you a little refresher. Here is my right hand that needs to be done next. And yes, it looks crazy. She needs some TLC from this product, at least. So we're going to give her that now, okay? And all I have to do is just repeat the same steps. The same steps that I used to complete my left hand, we will be using to complete my right hand. And they will be fraternal twins. At least they're not cousins. They'll be sisters. They'll definitely be sisters, not cousins, okay? But yeah, sit back, relax, and watch me finish my right hand using this product. amazing. This is the home stretch right here. We are basically done after applying this final coat right here. And I have to say, for a first timer completing these steps, these nails look pretty natural. Like, I can perfect this method while using this product and make these tips look like they are growing from my natural fingernail. Like, I see so much potential in this product. I am so excited. I can give my nails an extra extension and it looks like it's natural. Like, wow. I see what I can do better and I know what to do for next time. This was literally the first time for me trying this product and then sharing it with you guys. That is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. I hope that it inspired you to do your own nails in the comforts of your home. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments if you have any questions. Tell me your thoughts, etc., etc. And don't forget to subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye.